Between increased demand for sustainability, evolving regulations, and a volatile supply chain, staying ahead of the game is a challenge. As quality professionals at the original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, you are responsible for delivering sustainable vehicles, which include hundreds of outsourced parts from suppliers that need validation. How do you effectively address this complexity and ensure smooth operations? As a supplier, you face immense pressure to meet OEM demands while navigating several complex requirements. How do you overcome these obstacles and ensure a strong partnership with the OEM? An effective supplier quality management strategy is the key to a successful supply chain. Automotive OEMs and tier suppliers can rely on core tools, part of the advanced product quality planning and production part approval process, which are recommended by quality standards and guidelines. Siemens Digital Industries software provides comprehensive quality management. Using Teamcenter quality software enables you to drive successful part approval submissions and simplify your daily operations, whether you are an OEM or a supplier. Relying on engineering data, companies can mitigate potential failures and deliver best-in-class products. The OEM Supplier Quality Manager defines the part approval project by adding the necessary checklists. And with a simple click, relevant supplier activities seamlessly transition to the Teamcenter Supplier Quality Hub. The supplier steps in and completes assigned actions, ensuring all necessary documents are attached. Now it's time for a two-way update. Both the supplier and the Supplier Quality Manager confirm the tasks are updated accordingly. The OEM Supplier Quality Manager evaluates supplier documentation and either approves it or requests adjustments. The supplier promptly acts by completing or updating activities and attaching relevant documents. Once all tasks are completed, the supplier provides feedback accordingly. Finally, the OEM Supplier Quality Manager reviews and approves the work and sends a confirmation back to the supplier. Simplify your production part approval process and manage submissions complexity with our Smart Manufacturing solutions. Say goodbye to manual spreadsheets and time-consuming paperwork while managing multiple regulatory requirements. Collaborate seamlessly with your team and suppliers, enabling clear communication and reducing delays. Share and review documents in real time, keeping everyone on the same page on the cloud or on the premises. Ready to take control of quality across the supply chain? Accelerate your digital transformation with the Siemens Accelerator business platform of software, hardware, and services. Deliver best-in-class and sustainable vehicles from ideation through production.